Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create organic looking shapes with a liquid bridge effect, commonly known as Metaballs. So let's get started. First, I'm going to draw two circles. So I head to the Shape tool and select Ellipse tool and draw a circle on my canvas. Then I press V on my keyboard and copy the circle by holding down the Alt and Shift key and drag it to the side. Now I have two circles. I'm gonna give them a color. Let's just choose blue. Now I'm gonna turn them into a compound. Compounds let us create a variety of shapes from separate objects using Boolean operations. It's a non-destructive process, which means you can break it apart, add an object, or remove an object from a compound. So to create a compound, I'm going to select both circles, then I'll head to Vector and hit Create Compound. Or I can go to Geometry, Compound, and click Add Compound. Or I can simply go to the Context toolbar, head to Boolean Tools, hold down Alt key on my keyboard, and click Add. Now if you look at the layers panel here, it says Compound. Click the arrow here and you'll see both of the circles. Now this is where things start to get a lot interesting. I grab the Contour tool and I drag the circles like this. Now I'm going to press V on my keyboard to select Move tool. Then I'm going to double tap so I can select one of them. You can see it there on the layers panel. This is the one I selected. I'm going to turn off the snapping tool so we can view it better. Now look what happens next. I'm gonna bring the circle closer to the other one. It looks like there's a magnet pulling them together, creating a connection or a bridge between them. I can also resize the shape individually, or I can click the contour tool again and click force open right here on top and drag it like this. Then it turns into a donut-like shape. I can press V again on my keyboard and drag this donut a bit to the right. Look how cool it is. And not just that, I can add another circle into the compound. So I'm gonna duplicate one of the circles by pressing Ctrl key and J on the layer. You can see now there's another circle here. And I can add as many as I want. There are a lot more to experiment using this tool, so play around with it. And that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, click like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching, and good day.